Hey there, YouTube fans. How you going, man? So, trying to get a decent tethered internet signal here in Italy has been a bit of a challenge. So I'm using Wind Tre. Now, excuse the mess. I'm still trying to organize where I'm going to put stuff here. So this is a little Android TV box, and we've got a metal table, which is going to be important later on. Now, what I've discovered is a few things I could do is put the tethered phone, that's the phone that it's tethered to, out the window kind of thing. But so that was one of the better options. But because this is a stone house, these walls are stone, right? Some of the rocks are from the Roman period, apparently. So now I discovered probably the fact that this is metal and mesh, and the Kodi box, the Android TV box, is on the same table, might be in my favor. So I moved it next to it and it was worse, but I'll show you now. If we do a test, let's do a speed test. So this is internet speed test because this is Android TV, and let's see if it's working because it's been dropping out. Okay, so it's pinging. Yeah. So we got HD, which is great. 16 megabytes. 18. See, it's pretty good. 22. So you've got possibility of 4K. So the download speed 22, and then the upload is pretty good. Now, today I'm going to get what most of these people do in a bed and breakfast, which is, I think, a little white Wi-Fi box. Let me just see if I can turn this camera around. Yeah, actually, like that would be better. Yeah, so what they do is, like in the bed and breakfast, they get a Wi-Fi box here, which is about 36 euros a month. For unlimited. Don't worry about the mess again behind me. They shot the maid. No, I'm only kidding. Yeah, so it depends on where you put your phone. If you're going to use your phone to tether, which you can with the Wind Tre in this country, go around the house and see where you get the best, strongest signal, and don't have it too far from whatever you're trying to tether it to. That seems to be the secret. Now, I reckon that this metal table in front of me is acting as a big antenna. There can be no other explanation because it's close to the window and it's all metal. So my theory is that's enhancing the phone's ability to accept the signal from the tower. Hope that helps. Just thought I'd do a little quick video. Hopefully today they're going to install that proper Wi-Fi thing, and we'll have up to 2.4 gigs or something, like some horrendously massive fast internet, I hope. I'll see you in the next one. Hope this helps. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Teach yourself out. God bless. Ciao.